This still is a small multi-practical pot still intended for production of all types of spirits and essential oils. It's a perfect device for everyone passionate about home distilling. In today's episode, I'm actually going to show you how to make lavender essential oil with water steam. This oil is typically used to relieve stress. I'm pouring 3 liters of water into the pot, and I have already filled the gin basket with ½ kilograms of dried lavender flower. Water should not touch the herbs in the stainless steel basket. As you can see, in only a few steps, we are ready to start distillation. A complete kit contains its own electric heating source, a hot plate which has 9 heating levels up to 2 kilowatts. The set of device contains a stainless steel basket that you can use when you distill aromatic plants for the production of essential oils, a gin-type alcoholic beverage, or when you want to provide additional aroma to your fruit distillate. If you distill other types of drinks, such as fruit brandy or whiskey, the basket can easily be removed. While this mini pot still is in operation, there is no need for any additional steps except reducing or increasing the heating. After 25 minutes of the steam distillation, I have got 30 milliliters of concentrated lavender essential oil and 1.5 liters of aerosols, which is commonly known as perfume water, and it's used in cosmetics and pharmaceutical industry. As you can see, the final result is much better than we have expected, so I'm going to finish steam distillation process.